Welcome. This is a success story posted by Stella. I will have the full text down in the description below. And if you like success stories like these, please like and subscribe for more. My skeptical mom just experienced her first conscious manifestation. Hello, everyone. I, a former agnostic, got into Neville Goddard's teaching about 2 years ago, and now my life is perfect. I have a wonderful mom who just focuses too much on the negative, and I've tried to make her understand that all the power lies within her. But it has not worked so far. She is a hardcore skeptic, and she told me a couple of times that she was getting worried about my mental health. Several times I have asked her to use her imagination to manifest something simple, and of course, she has declined the offer. 3 days ago, I gave her a €5 note and told her to examine the note closely. Then, I told her that before she went to sleep and before she got out of bed, she had to imagine for some minutes having this note in her hands, smelling it, seeing it, and touching it. She had to feel very excited about having the banknote. I challenged her to do this for 7 days straight. Then, I told her that if she did not find a €5 note, I would give it to her. She loves free money. Today was the third day of her imaginal act. We live in Germany and took a walk around the park in the area where we live. On the way home, we crossed the street and I noticed a folded piece of paper, and I thought nothing of it. It just didn't look like money. My mom picked it up, and guess what? It was a €5 note. I love the look of shock and amazement on her face. She's definitely going to try this more often. I am so happy I got to experience this with her. Thank you for listening. Much love and happy manifesting.